All right, let's get right back into it with 3 and 4. We've got 9639. Oh, I'm sorry, 9659. Let's see what we can get in this one. If you're not yet following PPSC on social media, you can definitely do so and have a chance to win free hits with your next order. On Facebook, at Playoff Push SC, and on Twitter, at Push Playoff. We usually do a drawing. I don't know. I guess it kind of is coming out about once a month. It's not necessarily every month, but I like to do it. My goal would be to get it just to be like the first of every month or something like that. I just have noticed the more people now that are jumping into breaks, there are definitely less hits left over. But that's not to worry because there's hundreds and thousands of cards on the website. I can always just pluck a few and we can keep giving them away in the case break giveaways and the social media giveaways. Alright, excuse me. Let's see what we get here in 3. Got a Jimmy Johnson blue, 53 of 199. Insert Jamie Mack. I'm not going to worry about these base. Chase Elliott silver. Paul Menard, 51 of 99. Red. Select Swatch Fire Suit Red is our first hit. David Reagan to 299. Bill Elliott Select Star. Joey Gase silver. Chase Elliott UCP. We've got 3 base. We got a Landon Castle blue, 106 of 199. Kyle Busch Speed Merchant. Three base. Chase Elliott, 299. That is number 109. Speed Merchants Hamlin. 3 base. Casey Kane silver. Josh Wise is the second hit. Select Swatch Fire Suit. We got a redemption. Signature Paint Schemes Red Prism, card number 10, Kurt Busch. I just realized we're getting close to the expiration dates on on these cards, although I think Panini will still, I'm sure they still got them in stock, so it's not like they won't send it. David Reagan silver. So that was our first autograph, the redemption. Kyle Larson silver. Excuse me. Danica Patrick, Kurt Busch, select pairings. I believe that'll have to be randomized. That's hit number 4. We should have one more autograph back here. Danica Patrick silver, Kyle Busch, select star. 3 base. Here comes our autograph. Matt D. Silver. Anna Parkhurst. Anna Parkhurst on card auto. Select signatures. Three base. There's a Danica Red Prism. 26 of 99. Chase Elliott Speed Merchant. Put that in my insert stack. We will go now 0603. Grab a drink right here real quick. Box number 4. When I'm opening these packs, I try to think of topics to think about. I do want to look more into that mixer. I've started kind of looking over some of the NASCAR products. I know that 2019 products are going to start coming out. I think Donruss is the first one. I actually do need to update the release calendar on the website a little bit more than it already is updated. But what I was thinking for it, and shoot me an email or leave a comment below, a thumbs up if you would. Just want to know in the comment section below the videos, or email playoffpushsc@outlook.com and let me know what products you would be interested in a mixer. I thought at least 1 or 2 big boxes would be cool. Maybe like 1 National Treasures or a couple Panini Prime. And then, 2 or 3 Select. Maybe a Prism or 2. A couple Absolute. A couple Victory Lane. Just a good mixer. And also let me know if everyone just wants to do it by driver, or, by driver may be the best way to do it just because it wouldn't be so expensive. Or, we could always do serial number if anyone's interested in that. I just don't want to go out and buy 12, 15 boxes and then nobody really be like, I have received a few messages, but I don't want to go buy all those and then nobody's up for a mixer. That's Ryan Sieg to 299. Dale Jr. Select Star. 3 base. Casey Kane to 299. Denny Hamlin insert. Oops, there went an Eric Jones base. Eric Almirola Silver. 62 of 99. Joe Gibbs Racing, Denny Hamlin, Daniel Suarez. Truex Jr. is driving that Suarez's old ride, isn't he? We're only, about a month away from the 500? There's an Eric Jones Blue rookie, 67 of 199, Cup rookie blue. Matt Kenseth Select Star. We got a white Ryan Newman numbered to 50. That's number 35. Chase Elliott Speed Merchant, 3 base. Daniel Hemrick Silver. Greg Biffle, 3 base. Last chunk here. John Hunter Nemechek is a silver. Ty Majeski, 82 of 99. Red. Ty Majeski. I think we got a Ty Majeski red in the last case. I can't quite remember. Ricky Stenhouse, silver. Hey, there's our gold. Greg Biffle, 10 of 10. Check that out. That's a nice one. Greg Biffle, 10 of 10, with a big chunk of fire suit there with stitching. Nice Greg Biffle there. 3 base. Elliott Sadler, silver. 009 of 199. Jamie Mack, Kyle Larson, blue. 3 base. Joey Gase, red. 69 of 99. Ryan Newman, 3 base. Martin Truex, silver. Kevin Harvick, Kurt Busch, tire, select pairings. 3 base. Kevin Harvick, silver. Clint Boyer, UCP, and Martin Truex, base. Alright, that will do it for 3 and 4. Be right back with 5, 6.